so let us start since this page. So be quiet. So let us start. And it's Friday. This Monday. Actually, we gotta know the service model for TCP and UDP. All right, and finally, we gotta know why bother, so that we have the UDP. All right, so we gotta have these. Okay, so SMTP, Telnet, HTTP, FTP, and etc. So we have these. And this time, let us check. We have the two models, TCP and UDP. And which model we will use? So first of all, we know email, remote terminal access, web file transfer. We allow no loss, right? So all these no loss. Because of no loss. So how about this? Of course, we need to use TCP, right? So about the model, for the 4 items here, we need to use TCP only because we need to have the reliable data transfer. Okay, so reliable data transfer. All right, so this is the first thing, TCP model. As for streaming multimedia and internet telephony, normally, this one normally. Okay, this one normally. Why? Because multimedia or internet telephony, we want to have our own rate. So if we want to avoid the rate throttling, because TCP has throttle the rate, so we don't want to have the feature. So that's why we normally employ UDP. Okay, so for this reason, normally use UDP. But sometimes we can choose TCP as well. So that's why we have a TCP. But this one, normally, no. And normally, no. But sometimes we can employ TCP for sure. So this one, I just want to let you know the reason why we can use TCP for the first 4 items. But for the others, normally we should employ UDP. All right, that's also about this one. Any questions? If no, let us continue. Furthermore, for the model TCP, we can secure TCP. So right now, let us talk about securing TCP. All right, so TCP and UDP, initially, no encryption. All right, so you can have the clear text password. If we want to have the security enhancement, you can use SSL. Secure Socket Label, or you can look up the task force. So we have SSL. If we have the application of SSL, then we can have the encrypted TCP connection, and so that we can take care of data integrity, and also we can take care of the endpoint authentication. All right, authentication that says, is it you? And we want to make sure. So if we can have a way, that way is called the authentication. And SSL here, of course, we talk about the currently we talk about app layer. So of course, SSL is at app layer, right? All right, so we can have SSL so that we can enhance TCP. And enhance TCP to have further encryption to take care of data integrity. As for the others, if possible, you can refer to Chapter 8. All right, Chapter 8.